Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to create a Logitech account using your web browser. So let's get started. First, open your web browser, navigate to your search engine and go to www.logitech.com. Hit search. This is the official Logitech website. Once the page loads, tap on the three-line menu icon. You'll find it in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on My Account. Here you will see multiple ways to log in. If you already have an account, then fill up your credentials and simply tap Login. If you cannot remember your password, just tap on Forgot Password to retrieve it via email. You'll also see multiple ways to log in, like Google, Apple, Facebook, and more. But if you're new, scroll all the way down and tap on Create an Account. It's easy to miss, so make sure to look near the bottom of the page. Now fill out the form. Enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, email address, and create a secure password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and a symbol for best results. Now check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap Create. Now head to your email box. Logitech will send a verification mail. Just click the link inside to activate your account. And that's how you create a Logitech account using a web browser in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and drop any queries in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.